Tiara Taylor. Taylor2U Homes, right, with her millionaire tip of the week.
Yes. So greetings everyone. Again, it's your Demolition Diva, Tiara Taylor.
Demolition Diva.
Yes. And then we're going to do a quick recap from last week. Last week's tip was no excuses, get it done by any means necessary. And so this week's tip is without risk, there is no reward.
Yes, ma'am.
And so it's so funny because, you know, we go around day to day, week to week, and people want to be a part of this real estate game, but they don't want to risk anything. They want everything to be guaranteed. They want promises. How do I know I'm going to get my money back? How do I know I'm going to get it back in this amount of time? How do I know that my house is going to sell for the projected ARV? Like, you don't know that any of those things are going to happen because nothing in life is guaranteed, and real estate game is no different. If you have a dream or you have a goal that you want to accomplish, you're always going to have to put a plan in place first. Do your due diligence and just jump out there. You may fail, but guess what? You may also succeed. You may accomplish everything that you set out to accomplish, but you'll never know unless you step out there and get it done. So if you actually fail, you have to just go back, tweak your plan, figure out what things you were supposed to learn from, and get it going. One of the things that we talk about often with Marcus and Reggie is making sure that you have a mentor, because mentors help to mitigate the risk process. So if you don't really, if you're that person that has to overanalyze everything and you want everything perfect, you definitely need to get a mentor or a coach to help you through the process. I think that the biggest takeaway that I want people to know this week is that even if you're afraid to do it and you may have to give up some things like some people, some situations so that you'll have the financing to finance your first deal or your second deal, you may not accomplish your goal the first time around, but if you don't try, there's 0% chance you'll be successful in whatever you're trying to do. So, it's your millionaire trainer, Tiara Taylor. And the tip of the week is what?
Oh, yeah.
Without risk, there's no reward.
Without risk, there's no reward. And that's funny as heck because we were doing a slide on that
Trying to tell
for
you.
the free workshop.
Isn't that because y'all
risk.
tell me that all the time?
Yeah, it's just great. It's just crazy because you haven't been involved in
I have not.
in us creating the presentation, and that was definitely a topic of conversation yesterday. So it's crazy.
Is it because you all say it to me all the time?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Tiara,
You
there's a
gotta
risk
have
in
a little
everything.
bit of risk.
Yes.
Calculated risk.
Calculated risk.
Right.
Follow y'all
That's that
directions.
due diligence. Yeah. Yeah. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you.